Hello everyone, I am T. Manoj Kumar, founder of Basics Programming YouTube channel. Here is a special video. Please watch the video when you are free. Actually, the topic is Python program to print vowels and consonants in a string and the count also. So we have two types of methods to solve this problem statements. Now let's see what is method 1 to solve this problem statement. Guys, now let's see method 1 of given problem statement. Method 1. Okay, here method 1 is nothing but comment in Python with the help of hash. We define it comments. After that, now I'm taking st is equal to input of. Okay, here input is nothing but we are asking the input from the user, means whatever we give, means I'll give good, means it's not a fixed, we can change it when we run. In C we have scanf now, the same function only here also in Python. Now I'm printing message C. Enter any word or sentence. Okay, this is the message I want to print. After that, v count is nothing but a variable. I'm taking initializing value is 0. V count is equal to 0. Okay, now I'm taking a v naught is equal to, I'm taking a list. Here v count is a variable to count how many vowels are present in a string, and c count is nothing but how many consonants are present in a string. V naught is the list, collection of list of vowels present in English alphabets with upper and lowercase letters. Now see, A, E, I, O, U. Okay, after that small letters A, E, I, O, U. This is a list of vowels. V naught contains uppercase letters and lowercase letters of vowels A, E, I, O, U, A, E, I, O, U. Okay. Now let's see. Now I'm taking two empty lists. VL is equal to some empty list and CL is equal to some empty list. We'll perform operations in VL and CL. Okay. Means this list belongs to vowel list and this list belongs to C consonant list. Okay. Now I'm writing if. See, if st dot is alpha, is alpha is nothing but it's a function in strings. Is alpha means with a string with no spaces and no special characters and no digits. It's known as is alpha, means it is alphabets like good, example good, bad, ball. Okay, with no spaces also. Okay, if the given string is alpha means good, bad, ball, like that, then it satisfies this condition, it will go into it. Now I'm waiting for I in ht. Now I'm passing the string in for loop. Good string I'm taking. Okay, within the for loop I'll see if I in v naught. Now I'm checking each and everything, this G separate, O separate, O separate, L separate, D separate. For I in st now, here initially I will become D, sorry G. So G in V naught means here anything, any G is there? No. So it will not satisfy the condition. Why? Because it is a consonant. we want vowels, so that's why VL dot append. Here VL is nothing but what? Vowels list, no? So if O is there, we got O, this condition will satisfy. No, O will append, means it will add to vowels list. So we are doing like that. As the O is added to VL, no? We should check how many vowels are present in the vowels list, no? Now let's see. V count is equal to V count plus 1. Okay. If it's not a vowel, okay, then what? It's a consonant. Now let's check. CL dot same story of I. Okay. Here also same story I said, no? VL dot append of I. V count is equal to V count plus 1. If it is not a vowel, then CL dot append of I. C count is equal to C count plus I. Here G is there. Here G is consonant, no? So it will append in CL list. Okay. As it append, then we are saying that the count will be increase of consonant. Okay. If the given string has some spaces or digits or numbers, then we'll write C. Else print given string has special characters and digits. Okay. If this if condition is not satisfied, then else will be executed. Now print statement means else. Now print statement will be executed. Given string has special characters and digits. Here space also come under special characters only based on the ASCII values. Okay. Okay. We append the list. We count the list. But we should print no how many are there, how many are not there. So now I'm printing those. Print VL. Okay. Vowels list now. Print CL. Okay. Print V count. Print C count. Okay. How many? This printf is for how vowels, list of vowels in a string. This is for how many consonants present in a list. This for how many, sorry, print VL means what vowels are there, that will print. Here what consonants are there, that will print. V count means how many vowels are there, that will print. Print C count means how many consonants are there, those many consonant count will be print. Now let's run this program. Now I'm giving good. See output. This is vowels list. Okay. O and O are vowels, no? D and D are consonants. So how many vowels are there? Two vowels. Okay. Here also two consonants. Now let's check another one. Now I'm giving he is a good boy. Now here given string has special characters and digits. Here digits are not there, but special character is nothing but space. I said no. So that's why it print the message. So no vowels, no consonants. Okay. Once again we'll check with capital letters. See with capital letters also I check. Whoa. is nothing but vowels, GD is nothing but consonants. Here 2 is nothing but V count, means number of vowels in a string, and here 2 number of consonant in a list. Good, what? Some A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay, I gave like this. See, A and E are vowels, and B, C, D, F, G, H are consonants. So number of vowels 2, number of consonants 6. Okay, now let's go to another method to solve this problem. If punctuations are there, if spaces are there, then the worst case is that. Then we'll see in the further continuation. Okay. Guys, welcome to method 2. Here there is a small changes only. Almost the program is same, but small some changes. If the punctuations are there, and spaces are there, then how we should proceed. Okay. Now let's see. Now I'm importing string module. Okay. Import string as S. Here string is a module. We are importing the string module in this S. Okay. That's the meaning of this. Now some PUN is equal to is nothing but punctuations S dot punctuation PUNCTUATION. Okay. Note this S dot punctuation I give. It's a function in string module. Okay. To know the punctuations, to print the punctuations. Okay. Now let's see. Now I'm taking this out. Here no need to print this message. It's another method too. Okay. Up to here clear now? Up to here whole method only. I imported string function string module, import a string as S. I define a variable PUN is equal to I initialize S dot punctuations, means it will all the punctuation will store in PUN only. Another one I will take C. If they are digits, then what you will do? DIG is equal to S dot digit digits. Where DIG is equal to S dot digits, means all the digits will stored in DIG variable. Okay. Now let's go to the conditions. See. Now I'm writing elif. You see we have else if now. In Python we have elif. Okay. I'm writing some conditions. If I is equal to okay, spaces are there. If I is equal to some spaces, then what we should do? We use continue. Okay, continue is a keyword in Python. Okay, if space is there, then it will not print that space and remaining it will print. If okay, now let's see. If elif okay I in punctuation pun, then continually. Okay, if punctuations are there, I should not print them. Then I'm using keyword continue. Okay, after that elif. If digits will be there, if I in digits, elif I in dig I gave no. I store that digits in that variable no. Now here also continue. And next else cl dot append of I of c count. Okay, we should print those values now. cl pl. Okay, v count c count. vl is nothing but how many, sorry, what are the vowels list of vowels it will be print. cl means list of consonants in a string, means next v count is how many vowels are there, c count means how many consonants are there. Okay, do you understand the program? See, nothing changed. We are checking the spaces and punctuations and digits. This is the worst case. When they give punctuations also, this is the worst case. Okay, now I'm running this program. Okay, now I'm giving some fgh, okay, space bhi col at the rate. Now let's check the output. See output here, I and O are vowels and F, G, H, B, H, C, L are consonants. 2 is there, 7. Number of vowels is 2, number of consonants is 7. Okay, here I use a special characters. Now let's see special characters, spaces, strings, means digits also. Sorry, wait. Now let's see. He is caps L. He is at the rate hash 3 4 8 7 some I give or boy I'll give. Now let's check the outputs. See here, E, I, O are vowels. This so vowels print, vowels list is printed. Here H, S, B, Y are consonants. So I print consonant list. Number of vowels how many? E, I, O 3. Number of vowels, sorry, number of consonants 4. So we printed in the output screen. Now let's check another one. A meaningful sentence. He is a good boy. Dot also in gaming. Dot is nothing but it's a punctuation. Now let's see. E, I, A, O, O, O. This is nothing but vowels list. And H, S, G, D, B, Y are nothing but consonant list. Number of consonants 6. Number of vowels also 6. Here we give spaces and dot also, but it will not print. Why? Because I use it continue keyword. Okay, that's it guys.